students, my name is Manju Singh. I am your English teacher. Today I am going to teach you verb. This verb I have taken from your portion which is given in your syllabus. You all have studied in previous class. There are 8 kinds of parts of speech. And one thing I would like to tell you today that all 8 kinds of parts of speech are ABCD of English grammar. As you study alphabetical letters to learn words or sentences, the same thing to study in a proper way about English grammar, you have to study about all 8 kinds of parts of speech. In that I have taken today verb. What is verb? Verb is a part of speech that tells about an action or state of being. It is the main part of a sentence. Every sentence has verb. Now I am going to tell you about the definition. What is verb? Verb is a word which expresses an action or state of being or expresses what is done to a person. Some examples I am showing you here. We play cricket every day. Play is verb. He fought bravely. Fought is a verb. He boiled the water. Boil is verb. Now moving to the next point, that is types of verb. Mainly we will study today about 3 types of verbs, that is action verb, linking verb and helping verb. Action verb, all the verbs which show action, that is called action verb. Example, I have written here go, jump, give, walk, run. These all are action words. Action verbs can be either transitive or intransitive. What is transitive verb? A transitive verb which requires an object to complete its meaning is called a transitive verb. Examples I am showing you here. They distributed sweets. The verb is distributed. What is verb here? Distributed. And what is that is receiving? The verb's action is sweets. So this verb requires an object to complete a meaningful sentence. It means this is a transitive verb. One more example here. I painted the car. What is verb here? The verb is painted. Okay. And what is receiving the verb's action? The car. So this sentence requires an object to complete sentence. So this is a transitive verb. Here I would like to tell you one more thing that we can find by asking what or whom very easily. Is the verb is transitive or not? If I ask what distributed? Sweets. You will get answer. What painted? The car. By asking yourself what or whom, you can easily get answer. It means the verb is transitive. So now next, intransitive verb. Intransitive verb. A verb which does not require an object to complete its meaning is called an intransitive verb. Look at some examples. Stars twinkle. She smiled. I wake up at 6 a.m. Stars twinkle. Twinkle is a verb. Smiled is a verb. Wake is a verb. See, all these verbs don't require any object to complete their meanings. All the verbs in these sentences are intransitive. They are not followed by objects. They are not followed by objects. The verb in sentence 1, 2, 3 do not require any other words to complete their meaning. Look at here, very important. Note what is very important here. Subject, intransitive verb is sufficient to make a complete sentence. Very important. Subject, intransitive verb is sufficient to make a complete sentence. Subject plus transitive verb is not sufficient to make a complete sentence because verb demands direct objects. So by this you can easily identify which verb is transitive or intransitive. Let's do some exercises. Is the transitive verb or intransitive verb? We will find out right now. Some examples I have written here. Pick out verb first and say whether they are transitive or intransitive. Okay. First example, the girls carry water to their village. What is verb here? First of all, pick out what is verb in the sentence. That is carry. That is carry. And this verb demands object. So the girls carry water to their village. This carry demands object. So this one is transitive verb. So here this is the transitive. This is transitive verb. Okay. Next, Juhi threw the ball. Pick out verb first. Threw is verb. This verb also demands object to complete the sentence. You ask question from yourself. What threw? You will get answer the ball. So this is also transitive verb. Next, we love rainbows. We love rainbows. What is verb here? First of all, pick out verb. Love is verb. This verb demands object to complete sentence. That is rainbows. Ask a question from yourself. What love? You will get answer rainbows. So this is also transitive verb. Love is verb. This is transitive verb. Next, Anu has broken the chair. What is verb here? First of all, pick out verb. Has broken. Ask question from yourself. What broken? You will get answer the chair. So this is also transitive verb. Next, they distributed sweets. Pick out verb first. Whenever you will find out transitive and intransitive verb, first of all you find out verb and ask question from yourself. What or whom you add and ask a question from yourself. Here I am applying here. They distributed sweets. What is verb here? Distributed. What distributed? Sweets. So this is also transitive verb. This verb demands an object to complete sentence. Now moving to the next example. They jumped. What is verb here? Jumped. This is giving correct meaning. If I say they jumped, you are getting exact idea of what the sentence wants to say. He sang. Sang is, what is verb here? Jumped. What is verb here? Sang. This sentence giving exact idea what the sentence wants to say. So this is intransitive. This is intransitive sentence. This is also intransitive sentence. It is already clear. Next, that light was shining. What is verb here? Was shining. This sentence also giving clear idea. This verb doesn't require any object to complete the sentence. So this is also intransitive verb. Next, stars twinkle. What is verb here? Twinkle. If you read this sentence, you can easily understand. So this twinkle doesn't require any object to complete its meaning. Each and every sentence till here, till number 5, each and every sentence has object that complete the verb's actions, demands object to complete verb's action. Okay, and now look here, 6 to 9. None of these verbs require an object for the sentence to make sense. So these all are intransitive verb. Very interesting. By this, you can easily identify which verb is transitive or which verb is intransitive. Next type was linking verb, as I have shown you earlier. Linking verb. Linking verb adds details about the subject of a sentence. State of being verbs, also known as linking verbs. Generally, linking verbs are called be verbs, which are am, is, are, was, were. However, there are some other verbs which can work as linking verbs. Those verbs are smell, grow, look, appear. State of being verbs, also known as linking verbs. Linking verbs explain a link between the subject of the sentence. Some examples over here. Diamond is the hardest substance. Is linking verb. I feel scared. Feel is linking verb. Those flowers are bright. Are is linking verb. Is it clear? Moving to the next. Third is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb, you have studied in previous class about helping verb. Actually, auxiliary verb and helping verbs both are same. Definition of auxiliary verb is auxiliary verbs are also called helping verbs. An auxiliary verb extends the main verb by helping to show time, tense, and possibility. A being or having verb that comes before a doing verb to complete a sentence and helps the principal or main verb. Some examples I have written here. I am working. I am working. So am is auxiliary verb, or you can say helping verb. Helping verb always comes before main verb, before action verb. I am working. They have finished their breakfast. Have is helping verb. You should do your homework. Should is helping verb. So here you must note it that linking verb work as main verb in the sentence. Auxiliary verb help main verb. This is very important. What is the difference between linking verbs and auxiliary verbs? Here one thing more you must note. Auxiliary helping verbs help main verb to express the exact time and tense, mood and mode of a sentence. Till here, whatever we have studied, you will be able to find out whether the verb is transitive or intransitive. You can easily find out helping verb or auxiliary verb. You can easily identify which one is linking verb, which verb is main verb. Till here, whatever we have studied, related from this, you will get exercises in your assignment. I would like to tell you one thing. This much we have studied about types of verbs. Now we will study a little bit about forms of verbs that you all have studied in previous class. V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Definitely it will come in your mind. So forms of verbs will help you in the topic tense. So before tense, we have to study about forms of verbs also. We have studied types of verbs, that is over. Now we will study about forms of verbs. Now look here, verb forms. Root form, this is V1 form. Past form, V2 form. Past perfect form, V3. Present participle form, V4. Present indefinite form, V5. You have to learn this one. This is the main root form of the verb. This is called V1 form of the verb. Drink, drank, drunk, drinking, drinks. Fall, fell, fallen, falling, falls. Come, came, come, coming, comes. Go, went, gone, going, goes. Appear, appeared, appeared, appearing, appears. Take, took, taken, taking, takes. See, saw, seen, seeing, sees. Hold, held, held, holding, holds. You just see in V4 form, all the verbs are in ing form. All the verbs are in ing form. And in present indefinite form, all the words, all the action verbs are with S and ES. So till here we have studied verb forms. It will help you to understand tense. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.